Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of 100-day JavaScript challenge series. So in this video, we are going to learn how to find the minimum and maximum value in an array without using built-in methods in JavaScript. So we are going to use traditional approach. So this is most commonly asked interview question. So let us directly jump into the coding part. So here I am going to create a function called a find minimum max traditional by using arrow function syntax. And I'm going to call this function inside console log. So here I'm going to send an array, and this method should expect an array. I'm going to send something like 5, 1, minus 2, 0, and 6. Now inside this loop, let's create a minimum and maximum variables. We are going to assign the first value of the array to these both variables. Now we need to create a loop I less than array dot length and I plus plus. Now inside this loop, let's write some condition where if the current value of the array is less than the minimum value, then you need to assign the current value to the minimum value, or else if the current value of the array is greater than maximum value, then we need to assign the current value to the maximum value. So once this is done, after this for loop, we need to return the values of minimum and maximum as an object. So let us execute this. Now let us click on this run option. So you should be able to see that the maximum value is 6 and the minimum value is 2, minus 2. So let us change this maximum and minimum values now and check whether it's working correctly or not. The maximum value to is 8. So you should be able to see that the maximum value is 8 and the minimum value is minus 3. So in this way, you can find out the minimum and maximum values in an array in JavaScript using traditional approach. And we have the built-in methods called math.max and math.min. But in interviews, mostly they will be focusing on these traditional approaches on the logic building. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.